Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel lab. Today I am going to explain the lab program 5, cleaning data with test function, use of upper and lower, trim function and concatenate. Cleaning data with test function. We need to structure this data to form data analysis. However, initially we need to clean the data. We need to remove any non-printable characters and access space that might be present in the data. We can use the clean function and trim function for this purpose. First steps, we can trim the, this is our data name. First step, trim function. The trim function is categorized under Excel test function. Trim helps remove the extra space in um, data and these clean up the cells in the worksheet. In financial analysis, the trim function can also be used in removing irregularly spacing from data imported from other application. The formula for the trim application equals trim, open the bracket, click on the name, which one you want to trim, enter. The space is removed. We can see the result in the last 01 dina. Here the first we have space, the space is removed. We can drag this cell to uh, uh, a, to all the cells. Here the space, the formula is applied for all the cells. Here the space has removed. In the row number 5 the space has removed. Here the trim function is applied. Here the row number is row number 11. The trim formula is applied. The next is upper and lower. The upper function in Excel test function that will convert text to capital letter. This all the function convert all characters in a supply test string into uppercase. In financial analysis, we often import data from external source. Um, all the small letter is converted into uh, upper letter equals upper. Click the cell you want, then select and drag the cells where we want to. Here we can see that row number 7 last 06 Michael G is in small letter. It converted into upper letter. In this we can see row number 8 a last 07 is converted into upper letter, last 08 is converted into upper letter. So next equals upper, open the bracket, then select this, enter. We can see this all the uppercase letters. Here then next is lowercase, equals lower, and then select this column, upper column, click enter. The last 01 dina is converted into uppercase to lowercase. The lower function is used for lowercase text in cell. Changing the letter case of our cells values can grade when there is a lot of cases inconsistency among all the cells input, or when preparing our data set for case sensitive usage. It is types equal lower. Next, concatenate. Concatenate Concatenate function in Excel is used to join the different piece of text together or combine value from several cells into one cell. The syntax of Excel concatenation is as follows. Here we have equal concatenate, equal concatenate, equal concatenate, equal concatenate, open the brace, select the first name, comma, double quote space, close double plate, double quotes, comma, and select the last name, close the bracket, enter. Equals concatenate, concatenate, open the brace, so here the first name and last name is concatenated into one cell. So for in the first name Jack, in the last name Jill, the Jack is finally concatenated into in the one cell Jack and Jill. Then drag the formula to all the cells. So we can here we can see the concatenated Fatima Taj and Adya Jain, Vinay Gowda and Rupesh Shetty. This is concatenating of the cells. So this is our fifth program.